Hello, thank you for watching Sara's Living with MS, Glioblastoma, breast cancer, and seizures. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about what it's like to have started with multiple sclerosis and then having to deal with other conditions along with it. I have developed breast cancer after I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, and now I've been diagnosed with brain cancer. I have also developed seizures, but luckily I have not had any since I started medication. Having MS can make it much harder to deal with all of this, but that doesn't mean that you can't. I developed the breast cancer after I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, then seizures, which had a really bad effect on me. The first time I had a seizure was in the middle of the night. I don't remember it. And on my way to the hospital, I had another seizure, which I don't remember that either. And for about 4 days after, I was back home and, doing everything normal, but I don't remember any of it. I had a third seizure about a month later in the middle of the day. I was sent back home from the hospital that same day, but I don't remember anything after that for about 3 days. I was back on additional seizure medication and I was back working and everything felt pretty good. Until then, I was diagnosed with brain cancer. And the diagnosis for that started with a really great doctor that was realizing that there was some issues going on inside my brain. The kind of brain cancer that I was diagnosed with is glioblastoma. It is such a scary cancer to be diagnosed with, and it can really affect your brain. And also, the survival rate can be low. Once that issue was seen inside my brain, I was immediately sent to the hospital to have brain surgery. I did have it removed at that time and then was sent to the hospital every day to have radiation. And I also started chemotherapy. The chemotherapy for this kind of cancer is a pill that you take at home, but there are a lot of side effects and it can affect people differently, and you have to get your blood checked every week. I have completed my radiation treatments and my first round of chemotherapy. The next month, I will start 5 days of chemotherapy and will have 3 weeks off. And I will do that for about 6 months. I also have some decisions to make on some other types of cancer treatment that I've not fully decided on yet, but I will, and I will share that as soon as I have that information and what I've decided on and why. My walking, since I have started this whole cancer process, has gotten really bad. I am working on it, but it's been very long and slow. I've been having to take a wheelchair where walking would just be too hard or too long for me to do. Now that I am home almost every day and I don't have to take the treatments of radiation, and I can just focus more on that kind of stuff, walking and exercising and trying to deal with that and get that improved. I am not on any multiple sclerosis drugs right now, as there is a chance that I could have gotten that cancer from the drugs. I really wanted to provide an update on what's going on in my life right now since my last multiple sclerosis video. In the next video or two, I wanted to really get into what it was like to have an awake brain surgery, which is really different from any kind of normal surgery I've ever thought of, or I've just been put to sleep with, because this is not like that at all. I was awake and talking during it. And I really want to share more about that, which I do plan on having in the future. I really want to thank everyone that has given me such great support for all of this that I'm going through and watching my videos and commenting. It means so much, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Since I can't work anymore, I'm really preparing to provide a lot more information and have more videos on my show, as I will definitely have more time and will definitely need the income now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please share my channel with anyone of your friends or anyone that you think this would help. Thank you for watching.